Welcome back, Silverpunks. In today's video I'm going to be doing some little rounds, some little pours. Now all these are going to be available on the website, so I'm just trying to create some website stock. So all these little fractionals are all going to be over 15 grams, so I'm aiming for over half an ounce, so probably between 16 and 18 grams a piece. And we can do some little school rounds. So I'll do these in the whip and crucible, as you can see. I pop the silver in, just weigh the silver out, pop it in, melt it, and then just basically pour it into the mould. Now you've got to be careful, you've got to do it nice and smooth. Quickly, it's a bit of... when you get used to it, it's quite... I don't want to say easy, but you just got to get into the flow. You've got to pour it quickly, but you've got to be controlled. You can't just chuck it in, just nice and controlled, but in a quick manner, so it doesn't start solidifying over the lip of the crucible. So there we go. So if you just sit back now and watch me melt some down, and I'll do some pouring in. And as I say, this is just all stock for the new website we've created at Silverpunk to try and earn a crust. So there we go, it's melting down nice, and we'll get on with the pouring as soon as it's melted. As you can see, we've got it melted down nice. It's look, you can see it's molten, moves around nice. Now what I always like to do is when I think it's ready to pour, I like to give it another 5-10 seconds just to make sure. So you'll see me lift it over here. There you go, you can see it moving about nicely. Now I'm just trying to heat up the little lip on the melt dish there, just so we have a nice smooth pour. Here we go. Bit jerky, that one. It was quick, the speed was nice, but it was a bit jerky, but that's what you're going for. Nice and quick and controlled. And there we go, we got our first little school round out the gate. Let that one cool, and I'll measure up some more grain now. There we go, another probably 16 to 18 grams gone in. And we'll get that melted down and do the next one. And that's all there is to it. It's a bit of a process. We're all individual, of course, because the impressions are all different, but yeah, a little bit of a production run, as you can see. And we just start again. So, hope you enjoy it. So there you have it, Silver Punks. Here's the fruit of our labours. As you can see, there's a couple of designs here. We've got the skull rounds, the 20mm skull rounds. We've got the 20mm Mike Myers, 20mm Scream, and part of the horror series those. And we've got the 20mm Chucky. So good fun. So we've got quite a few poured out, as you can see now. They've all been cleaned up and they're ready to go off to hallmarking. And when we get them back, we'll have a look, see if we're going to tone them or just leave them as silver. I think I'm going to leave them as silver. They look pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed that little run through. That's just some of the items we're going to have listed on our website by the end of the month. And I just thought I'd give you a quick run through to show you how we did them. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Silver Punks. If you want more interesting silver pouring videos, don't forget to subscribe.